In this video, we are going to learn how to write a text on curved surface. So let's start. So first of all, I'm taking one plane. So we'll select the top plane. Now I need the plane other side, so we'll flip that and do OK. Now we'll select this plane, sketch on it, press Ctrl 8 to change the side. Now here, I'll take center line. We'll draw one center line. Now we'll go to text command. We'll select the center line and we'll write the text CAD Engineering, and we'll untick the font. Go to font size. Here I'm taking font size to 14. Next we'll do OK. Now this we want to project on the surface. We'll go for feature, exit the command, go to wrap tool. So here we have option Spline Surface Wrap. So curve is selected. Now we'll select the face. On that we want to project it and do OK. Like this way you can wrap a text over a curved surface. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.